Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a very quick look at the brand new CharJenPro AirFoams Pro form-fit ear tips for the Apple AirPods Pro. You may have heard me mention that CharJenPro was working on a newer version of their AirFoams Pro in my last video, and it turns out that they're already available. CharJenPro did send me this set free of charge in turn for another honest review, but they are not compensating me in any other way, so as always this review will be my straightforward opinion of this product. So let's open these up and see what we got. So the packaging looks very familiar, in fact almost exactly the same as CharJenPro's other two models. Inside we have a microfiber cloth and alcohol cleaning wipe, and a small packet of directions, which look like the same as the new versions that were included with the AirFoams Pro Proactive model that I recently reviewed. As for the ear tips, it looks like you still only get two different sizes like the original ones, but let's see if they have improved with the new shape. They're definitely more of a cone shape like I expected, and it looks like they still have the mesh screen inside, which is great. The plastic core looks the same as well. The foam feels nice and soft, and looks like it has a very slow rebound like the originals. As you can see, it will take a while to expand in your ear. Installing them is pretty straightforward, and they click into place easily. After installing both of the large size, they fit into the case and the lid closes perfectly fine. So now let's compare these to the first edition. The boxes are very similar, and on the bottom here you can see they both come in the same two sizes. Now if we compare the ear tips on the AirPods, we can see the old design was more rounded and shorter, whereas the new design is a little taller and narrower towards the top, which should help provide an improved, deeper fit in your ear. So now let's compare these ear tips to the ones from Comply. Those ones come in 3 sizes, whereas the CharJenPro AirFoams Pro models only come in 2, with the exception of the new AirFoams Pro Active model, which does come in 3 different sizes. In my opinion, the large size is all about the same across these models, however the small medium size from CharJenPro is more in line with about the medium size on the Comply ear tips. Here's a shot comparing the original model on the left and the new model on the right. And you can see the pair on the left is the small medium size and the pair on the right is the large. I did notice the foam on the large size is a little bit uneven, but I don't think that's an issue because it seems to fit just fine on the AirPods, and personally I use the smaller size, so it just might be a minor defect in my copy of this product. So now let me talk about my experience with the new Form Fit model. I've used them for a few days and I can say they're slightly improved over the original ones, but I still prefer the fit of the Comply. Although the shape of this new model has definitely improved, I still think they need to make a proper small size, as the small medium size feels a little bit too big in my ears. With Comply's ear tips, they appear to be a little bit more oval and narrower, and maybe that's why I feel like they're a better fit in my ears. But obviously everybody's ears are different, so your mileage may vary. The foam still expands very slowly, making a hissing and popping noise in your ear until the foam expands, but once it does form inside your ear, it fits pretty comfortably and stays put. I haven't had any issues with them falling out. They passed the Apple Fit test, and the active noise cancellation works great and is improved over the Apple silicone tips. So do I recommend these? Yeah, I'd say so. If you've never had memory foam ear tips before, these are definitely a good option. If you already have CharJenPro's original AirFoams Pro model, then I really don't see a point in upgrading if your original ones work and fit just fine. However, if you need a new pair, would I recommend getting the original ones again? No, instead I would recommend getting these Form Fit models instead. These are really just like a 2.0 model. Now if you're into fitness and you use your AirPods for working out and you sweat a lot, then would I recommend these? No, instead I would recommend pointing you over to the AirFoams Pro Active model, which I recently reviewed, because those ones contain a protective silicone layer on the outside while still having the memory foam on the inside. These are definitely a good pick. So that's it. As always, I'll have links down in the video description if you're interested in purchasing these. Thanks for watching and have a great day.